All right, so since I bought this Jeep at Myrtle Beach area, it kind of lived its life at the beach, whether it was North Carolina or South Carolina. It was at the beach a lot, so it got a lot of salt damage to things. I've had electrical issues I've had to deal with. When we took the rotors off, they were salted and damaged, and the lug nuts are damaged. They're rusty, they're salty. I bought some new lug nuts, and I've already replaced them back here. Just because I could tighten these back here without literally worrying about, my wheels falling off and that sort of thing. I don't have my torque wrench with me. I gotta ask a buddy for help. But anyway, this is what was on there before. And you guys can see how bad that looks, right? Now this is after I had taken them off and cleaned them and tried to paint them, I thought. And then this is a 17 millimeter spline or something like that. This is a 19 millimeter. Same cut for the thread, but this is a much nicer lug nut. Now a box of these, I got these on the old magical computer, Amazon, whatever you want to call it. It's Stance Magic is the name. I'm trying to bend it down here. That's what it looks like on the box. I needed to find one that had 23 because you need 5 for each wheel, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 20. And then 3 for the back, that's 23. And a lot of the sites that I looked at only sell these in packs of 20. It's like they didn't even include the ones for the back. I guess because they're considering most people don't. Like if you have a passenger car, your spare tire is like already mounted underneath the vehicle with something. But Jeeps need 23. So yeah, this is nice. It actually feels like really solid construction. And I want to say this is only like $23 or something like that on Amazon. And it came like the next day. I ordered this last night and it came here today. So very nice. Very nice. It says 1/2-20T. This is a 19 millimeter. It's a very nice lug nut. So anyway, yeah, let's poke these on here and we'll go from there. Oh yeah, we got that new freshy. It looks so pretty on there. Yes, sir, buddy. We got 4 or 5 new lug nuts on every tire and 3 on the back. Isn't that nice? Very nice. Cool deal.